Hey everyone, this is just a casual video of me trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm not really an expert in it, I don't really know all the algorithms, I just know the basic one, which is like the super beginner one, so just wanted to share it with you guys and show you how I do it. So the first one we're gonna do is do the white cross. Can you even see it? Let me focus a bit. Okay, so we're gonna solve the white cross, and we're gonna also match. We're also gonna match these colors as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and start doing it. So the green is over here, so let's match this with the green. There we go. Okay. Oh, dang it. Okay, so my bad. This is kind of an issue here. So yeah, there we go. So the green matched. Now, oh, the red also matched. That's cool. Okay, and let's go ahead and get this one out. Oops, my bad. Okay, let me... Yeah, okay. We also got the blue one. I just simply, like, moved it out of the way. Okay, so last one is the orange. Now, I believe we have to do some sort of trick here, which is we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna move that way, put it back up, and move it back away. I mean, move it back towards you. So, yep, we have matched the white cross with the colors over here. Now we're gonna flip this, and is it even focusing? Sorry, my bad. Okay, so we are gonna try to solve the rest of the white colors like this. So this one is here, so we're gonna do an algorithm like this, 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 this. Alright, so sorry, my bad. So this one is here, so we need to get this down, but we also need to match the colors. So this one isn't matching orange, but green, but this is blue, so move it away. And now we can place it with the same algorithm. Like this. There we go. It matched. Okay. Anyone else? Yep, this one. So green and red matched perfectly fine. So same algorithm. There we go. We have also matched these. So now what's left is blue and orange. So let's go ahead and solve that out. And there we go. Oh wait, we have one more. Okay, so blue and red. It's probably over here, so yeah. Let's go ahead and try that out, and there we go. This layer is also done. We need to do the second layer. Now we need to match these middle colors with the middle ones. I mean, sorry, top middle colors with the completely middle ones. So let's go and find blue, orange, orange over there, so we move it away, and then we do that same algorithm but just in this direction, and then we move it over here, and then we do the same algorithm, and yeah, this one's matched. So let's go and find another one, this one here. So let's match it with the green. Where's the orange? The orange is over here, so I'm gonna move it that way, this way. Okay, do the algorithm, flip it over and do it with your left hand, and yeah, okay, so far so good. Green here, red over there, so you know what to do. Do it like that, do it like that. Anything else missing? Let me check. Okay, blue, so we match it with blue. Red is over there, so move that away. Bada bam. Oops, I got jammed. Sorry, I'm kind of a newbie here. Alright, so we have solved the second layer as well. Oh, the yellow cross has also been done. That's insane. We don't have to do that part then. Okay, so normally what you do is rotate this and do the algorithm and put it back like that. So, but we don't have to do that because the white cross somehow it got solved. So let's go ahead and try to solve... I forgot. Let me think. Okay. So we need to see that, okay, this color is matching completely fine. So what we need to do is, I actually forgot, let me think for a second. let's go with this one then. Or maybe we can shift it over there. And okay, so this one is matched and this one is also matched, so we put these two on this side, over here and over here, and then we do this algorithm: up, left, down, left, up, right, right, down. Now we should be able to match pretty much all of the colors, and yeah, there we go, all of the colors are matched. That's kind of cool. Okay, now we have one more trick. We need to match these colors with these colors. So this is green and red, but this is green and orange, so not this one. Red and blue, but orange and blue. Not this one. Blue and blue. No, not this one, because it's orange and this is red. Okay, so what can we do here? We can, since none of the pieces are solvable, so what we can do is just simply do this algorithm from any direction. I think this is left, right? This is left. Okay, left, up. Then we do this hand, left, up, and again we do it with this one, left, down. Then we do this, left, then down, not up. Now, I think most of these should be solved. Red and blue solved. No, not this one. Definitely not this one. Not this one. So since only this piece is correct, let's hold it this way and do the algorithm again. Left, up, left, up, left, down, left, down. Okay, so you can see all the colors are matched. Orange, orange, blue, blue, green, green, orange, orange. Perfecto. Perfect. So red, red, green, green, blue, blue, red, red. So yeah, now what we want to do is we're going to flip this over and just simply do the classic that thing algorithm. So follow me along to match the yellow color over here. Okay, now we move it this way. Now we go like this, and voila, there we go. We have successfully solved it. So that's kind of cool, I guess. So the reason why I wanted to show it to you guys is because I got a scholarship, so I was like, okay, let's just for celebration, let's just solve a Rubik's Cube and see how things would go. So let's scramble this up again. Alright, so pretty much scrambled it, and hopefully we can try to, you know, solve it as fast as we can. So yeah, in the beginner method. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to solve this without, you know, yapping too much. So yeah, let's go ahead and let me observe the areas for a moment, and yeah, right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ah, got jammed. Alright, this one's done. This one's also done. Okay. Red, blue. Right, the cross is done. Alright. Blue and red must go this way. Right. There we go. Second, no, not second layer. Okay, orange is over there. Green is over there. Alright, second layer done. Oops, my bad. Alright, yellow is done. Now let's go ahead. Alright, these two matched. Match. Okay, which one isn't? Which one is? Okay, is it still matched? Nope. I need to find the one that is matched, okay. Matched, alright. Ah, there we go.